Hello and welcome back, everybody. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. It is NBA Finals time. So to kick off the Finals series here, you can open up some 2022-2023 Optic Donruss Blasters. I have not opened up any basketball for a while now. I'm a big fan of the Optic, so I figured I'd try it out with the Donruss Optic here for basketball. Cut this open and get a look here at what we're after. And the 2022 football, didn't cut it very well, football Optic are out. So I did get some of those blasters. That'll be arriving sometime this week yet. Gonna do a little mix of Walmart and Target blasters. So with the basketball, we're looking for purple signatures, some copper glitter, and 2-tone prisms, which are blaster exclusives. We're going to have 5 cards per pack and 6 packs per box. We'll be getting 7 inserts of prism parallels. And a look at the checklist here. So some chance at some low numbered stuff. Lots of different colors. So we got some illusions that come in the hollow purples, lime green, gold, my house. So a lot of color, a lot of opportunities here for some numbers, and see if we can get one of those autos. So like I said, we're going to be opening these for the start of the NBA Finals with the Denver Nuggets. And the game that just wrapped up with the Heat this week. Taking it for the Eastern Conference. Get our first pack going. Hopefully it'll be a good series between the two. I haven't watched a ton of basketball, but it's always a little more interesting once you're into the finals. Zion, Ja Morant, Bradley Beal, and a Walker Kessler with an Express Lane Giannis on the back. Nice looking insert. Usually stick to just football mainly. It's kind of my area of interest, but we dabble in a little bit of basketball. Jimmy Butler. Separate out that rated rookie. Victor Mobamba. Jalen Williams, and winner stays Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Nice old vet there. Definitely one of the greats. Excited to get the football of these. I think these Optic look really good in the Donruss design. Franz Wagner, Cody Martin. Our rated rookie is Chet Holmgren. Looks like we got a nice pair of prism here. Not a number. I think these are what they call the hollows. Good looking card of PJ Tucker. Davis Bertans. Terry Rozier. Murray. Andrew Nimhard, rated rookie. Looks like you got one rated rookie per pack. And a T- Russell Westbrook. Good looking insert there. Just let me know down in the comments who you guys are rooting for the finals between the Heat and Nuggets. Here's one of them now, Tyler Herro. Kevin Porter Jr., another Russell Westbrook, rated rookies Terry Eason, and a nice express lane of Stephen Curry. Another nice insert, really cool looking cards. All right, final pack of our first blaster. All right, Deni Avdija, Malik Monk, Kendrick Nunn. And looks like we got a little color there. I don't know if that's a purple or blue of Cameron Thomas. Nice card and a splash of LaMelo Ball. My bad. Cool card. And another one for the Nets. Getting a Blaster 2. Looks like right now the prediction is the Nuggets are the favorite, but you just never know when it comes down to these 7-game series, if it makes it that far. Alright, final blaster. So far nothing wild. I do like the inserts and the color we've had so far. Alexander, Quentin Grimes, Anthony Davis, EJ Liddell. Put them in their own pile. On the rated rookie, another T- of Anthony Edwards. It's a pretty common insert. Nikola, Sabonis, DeAndre Hunter. Red rookie is Caleb Houston, and another splash of Trae Young. A couple of those inserts now out of the 2. I think I'm a little bigger fan of all the color and inserts you get out of football so far. Is a little better variety. I do think some of these inserts though look really good in the basketball cards. Gary Payton, Patrick Beverly, Kenneth Lofton Jr. a rookie, and we have another hollow Karl Anthony Towns. Do you think you get a little more out of Optic football blasters for more of the parallels in the packs? Darius Garland, Jonathan Kuminga, Devin Vassell, rated rookie of Nikola Jovic, and Optical Illusions, Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown. First one we've seen of those. Really cool looking card. And our final 2 packs. If you guys enjoy the basketball rips, let me know. We can try to do some more as the games go on here. If you want to see another video. And let me know if you guys had any luck with the blasters and Optic basketball. And what do you prefer? You like the basketball or football Optic better? I feel like you just get more color out of football, but I think I like a lot of the inserts a little better on basketball. PJ Tucker, Sean Tate, rookie Jalen Williams, and another splash, Stephen Curry. So another good looking card. That one's got a little more color to it than the other splashes. So it must be like a purple parallel, a little shorter print. Very nice Stephen Curry there. I do prefer the numbered cards, being someone that's colorblind and having a little harder time deciphering all the different color parallels these chrome cards do. I'm guessing that's a shorter print. I'll have to look into a little more. I like the numbers just stamped on there. Super simple. And our final pack. If you guys would be so kind to subscribe to the channel. I know we've had some new subscribers and I appreciate it. The channel keeps growing, and the bigger we get, we'll do some more things and definitely more interaction with you guys. So I appreciate it. If you like this video, that also helps. So let's get to our last pack. We got something a little different on the back. Keldon Johnson, another Zion Williams, Nikola Jokic for the Nuggets. So there's Nice card there. And a My House of Keegan Murray, Sacramento Kings. So very nice card there of Nikola, who's going to be playing for a ship here. I'm recording this the day before the game starts, so tomorrow night they'll be on the court duking it out. Let's kind of go through some of our inserts here, parallels. Obviously, that one's really good looking card. My House, Steph Curry. Very nice splash insert. One more color, Cameron Thomas. Optical Illusions, Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown. It's Carl Towns on the silver there, or I forgot the name of it already. Splash insert, couple T- inserts, another splash. Another nice Stephen Curry, kind of matches that color of the other card. T- Russell Westbrook. PJ Tucker on the hollow, that's what they are, hollow. Sounds more like a Pokemon chase there, the hollows in there. A winter stays of Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and Giannis on the back for the Milwaukee Bucks. So I feel like we got some decent cards out of those two blasters. Might have to scoop up a couple more next time I'm around. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the NBA Finals, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.